When it comes to DTF printer maintenance, the biggest thing you should be doing is wet capping. So what is wet capping? Well, your DTF printer has print heads, and the print head sits over the capping station. And that capping station is used to keep the print heads moist. Well, to keep them moist, you should be dropping cleaning solution or distilled water, or really mix the two together. And if you mix distilled water with cleaning solution and put that in the capping station at night, you are going to get a happier, moist print head when you fire it up the next day. DTF maintenance is not very difficult, but print heads are extremely expensive. How you avoid having to do extra maintenance and replacing very expensive print heads: wet cap at the end of the day. If you're having a little bit of ink buildup or problems, just wet cap with cleaning solution. Do some printing head cleanings and see if you got a good nozzle check from there. But wet cap every single night and you will have a happier DTF printer.